Ever wondered how your eating habits impact your heart's health? Let's take a journey into the world of artery plaque, a silent but significant player in heart health. This substance, a mix of calcium, cholesterol, and protein, often forms due to the presence of biofilms. These are essentially colonies of microbes that find a home on damaged artery walls. So, what causes this damage? Factors such as inflammation and high sugar intake are prime culprits. When these elements come into play, they create an environment conducive for microbes, leading to the formation of plaque. But don't fret, this is where heart-healthy eating enters the scene. By incorporating specific nutrients and foods into our diet, we can help prevent plaque formation, keeping our arteries clear and our hearts strong. Understanding how artery plaque forms allows us to make better dietary choices for our heart's health. Now, what are the essential nutrients our heart needs? Let's delve into this. Our hearts rely on certain nutrients to keep functioning at their best. One of these is vitamin K2. This nutrient, abundant in foods like fermented sauerkraut and Parmigiano cheese, plays a crucial role in keeping calcium out of your arteries. Next up is vitamin C. This antioxidant powerhouse found in fruits like oranges and strawberries supports artery health and helps in collagen synthesis, a vital process for artery walls. Don't forget vitamin E. Almonds and spinach are great sources of this nutrient, which helps to prevent damage to artery walls. And of course, we can't overlook omega-3 fatty acids. These essential fats, found in abundance in wild-caught salmon and chia seeds, reduce inflammation and support heart function. These nutrients are the foundation of heart-healthy eating, supporting strong arteries and overall cardiovascular function. Let's continue to nourish our bodies with foods rich in these vital elements. Ready to incorporate heart-healthy foods into your diet? Let's explore some beneficial options. Wild-caught salmon packed with omega-3 fatty acids is a great choice for reducing inflammation and supporting heart function. Another superfood to consider is fermented sauerkraut, rich in probiotics and vitamin K2, essential for keeping calcium out of your arteries. But how about a simple heart-healthy recipe? Picture a vibrant arugula salad with an extra virgin olive oil and vinegar dressing. Arugula, packed with potassium, partnered with the heart-supporting properties of olive oil and vinegar, creates a flavorful and nourishing meal. And let's not forget about Parmigiano cheese and garlic. Parmigiano cheese is loaded with vitamin K2, while garlic not only lowers blood pressure, but also boasts antimicrobial properties. By adding these foods to your meals, you're taking a big step towards supporting your cardiovascular health. So let's make these dietary changes together for a heartier tomorrow. So, are you ready to put heart health at the center of your meals? Let's quickly recap what we've learned today. Your heart loves nutrients like vitamin K2, C, and E, and omega-3 fatty acids. Foods like fermented sauerkraut and wild-caught salmon are not just delicious, but also packed with these vital nutrients. Remember, a vibrant arugula salad with an olive oil and vinegar dressing is not just a treat to your taste buds, but also a gift to your heart. And who could forget about the powerhouse duo of Parmigiano cheese and garlic? They're loaded with benefits that keep your arteries clear and your heart strong. Now it's time to take these insights and turn them into action. Start incorporating these heart-friendly foods into your meals. Let's make heart health a delicious journey, not a tedious task. Don't forget to subscribe for more tips on maintaining a healthy heart. Thanks for joining us in prioritizing heart health for a vibrant life.